Emergency medicine is the medical specialty concerned with the care of illness or injuries requiring immediate medical attention. It is a field of practice based on the knowledge and skills required for the prevention, diagnosis, and management of acute and urgent aspects of illnesses and injuries affecting patients of all age groups with a full spectrum of undifferentiated physical and behavioral disorders. In India, emergency medical care has until recently been a neglected area of expertise. There has also not been a commensurate improvement in the skills of healthcare providers and public safety professionals and citizen volunteers in the emergency life support skills. To address this issue, in June 2014, Jeeva Raksha program was initiated collaboratively by Karnataka State Health University, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences and Swami Vivekananda Youth Movement, Mysuru, in technical collaboration with University of Utah.
Our institute, Hassan Institute of Medical Sciences, had the proud privilege to host this workshop and entertain doctors from several colleges to learn and improve their life-saving skills. It was a 5-day program which began on the 9th of February 2021. There were various theory classes combined with a number of demos and skill sessions, supervised by Dr. Ram Nair and Dr. Vijay Bhaskar Reddy, with the help of our very own professor and head, Department of Orthopedics, Dr. Sriranga N. The demos involved role plays in which us volunteers were given a chance to participate, a rare occasion where the students had a chance to teach the teachers. The candidates worked on several emergency procedures in teams which also helped develop their leadership skills. The practical sessions aimed towards a more holistic approach where they were taught the management of emergency conditions ranging from neonatal emergencies to cardiac and obstetric emergencies. I hear and I forget. I see and I remember, I do and I understand. This workshop was a live example of this quote where the learning focused on two-way interaction between the instructor and the candidate and a large number of practice sessions for the candidates. It was now time for concluding this wonderful workshop by the valedictory function overseen by our medical superintendent Dr. Krishnamurthy VR and our principal Dr. Nagesha KR. The valedictory function was followed by a mandatory photo session and planting of a sapling which permanently etched in memory. To relieve the stress of these 5 days, all those involved in the workshop gathered for dinner where they showcased their fun-loving personality and pointed out that doctors too need a break from their overworked lives. It is now time to thank Dr. Ram Nayak, Dr. Vijay Bhaskar Reddy and Dr. Haripriya from the Jeeva Raksha Foundation for accepting our invitation to conduct this workshop. We also thank Dr. Sriranga, our course director, Dr. Nagesh, Dr. Rajarna, Dr. Manjunath, Dr. Prashant, Dr. Yatish and Dr. Venkatesh from our college, our course coordinators, in taking time off their busy schedules and working tirelessly.